Hi everybody. Since we have started doing our live streams, two companies have really enjoyed them. They are 𝗘𝘀𝗽𝗍𝗵𝗍 Spirits and 𝗘𝘀𝗽𝗍𝗵𝗃 Coffee Roasters. Coffee and alcohol are two awesome things. When you combine them together, you get something special. So today we are going to make a espresso martini. Okay, first thing we need to do is make the espresso. So I'm going to turn this little coffee machine on over here. I have ground some beans up. We're going to pop them in here. Okay, people, you want to kind of get this pretty full. Just give that a shake, make sure it's even. Bring it over here. Little tap and a tamp. Tamp. I know you're supposed to do a little wipe on the top there. So we'll do that, pop them in here, and we're going to pour a double shot of espresso. So for this recipe, we need 50 milliliters of this lovely spirit, which is an espresso liqueur based around vodka. That is a double shot. And a bunch of ice. Whack the coffee in there. And you can use any kind of sugar syrup. We're in a maple kind of vibe today, so a little bit of maple syrup. I'm gonna pop this guy on, and you want to shake it up till it gets nice and foamy. Okay. Let's hope for the best. So that is not looking too bad at all. Gonna let that settle for a second. And to finish up with, we're going to put some little coffee beans in. But he's just going to fall through. They're going to be delicate. And the final one. Spam! So that is an espresso martini. Massive thanks to 𝗘𝘀𝗽𝗍𝗵𝗍 and to 𝗘𝘀𝗽𝗍𝗵𝗍 Spirits.